Guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to use TradingView, how to make your chart look like mine. Some of you guys have been following me on Telegram and you guys know how my chart looks, how neat and nice it looks. So having a neat chart work can actually help you know what you're doing in the market. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use TradingView and how to make your chart look like mine and how to keep your chart in a very clean way. So I'm gonna start off by opening my Chrome. So as you guys can see, this is just a plain chart. I've not done any settings on this chart. So right now I'm gonna start from the scratch to the end of how to use TradingView, the tools that I use when analyzing the market and all. So first you could pay for the TradingView. This is where you click if you want to pay for the TradingView. You can go here, select layout, click this. It will show you to upgrade. Yeah, click this. Hold on guys. So it will show you to upgrade. You can go for the $14 plan, $29 plan, or $59 plan. So when you pay for this helps you to be able to play back your chart and be able to analyze the market on your own, study the market, check out what the market has done before on your own convenient time and know what you're doing. So right now, the first step to take if you want to keep your chart clean and the way I use my TradingView and the important things I look out for. So firstly, I'm going to remove this volume here. Go to this place, this top here. You can see volume here, VOL. I delete it because I just want to make sure my chart is very clean. First, I remove the volume. That's first step. Second step, I come to the watch list. I try to create a new list because I only trade two pairs. I only trade two pairs. You guys know gold and BTC. Gold and BTC. XAU USD. Add it. Done. I could decide to delete all other pairs here. All other pairs because I'm only focusing on gold. I focus on one pair, know how it moves, to be able to predict it every single time. Not like I won't have losses, but at least like 80% or 70%. So I have my gold here. This is the only pair I'm trading. So once I select my pairs, what I have to do is go back. I click here to make the screen more bigger. Then the next step is to change my TradingView background. What I simply do is I click on settings. Once I click on settings, you can see symbols. The first thing I change on symbols, guys, is the color of the candlesticks. So I know you guys know green and red, but for me, I prefer the blue and black candlestick because that's actually good for me. I prefer it. So I'm gonna change my candlesticks blue or purple or so, black, this, black, this, then black. Good. Then the next step, go to settings. I click on appearance. So what I need to do on the appearance is the color of my chart background. I actually use this, and this. Then guys, I have to change my chart to dark mode. You can see dark color terms. When you come to this place, you click on dark color terms. This changed my chart to dark color. But since I didn't first change it to dark color, it will automatically change the whole setting back to the initial stage. So at this point, you just have to start off again. You could do this. Settings, go to appearance, this. Then you go to symbol, change the color back to the same color that we first changed. This, this, and this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is you can decide to watermark the chart. For me, I don't do that. Then the next thing I'm gonna try to bring out uh, the price of the market here at the right hand side of the chart. I'm gonna check the scale text, change it to black. You guys can see the price of the market is out right here. That's what I do. Then the next thing, you can see how my chart is looking very good and sexy, very clean. So the next thing I'm gonna do on this chart is to mark out my time frames. Me, I basically use 4 hour. I basically use like 1 month, 1 week, daily, 3 days, 4 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes, and 25 minutes time frame. But based on this current chart, trading view is not paid. I tried to use a new Gmail to open it so I could actually show you guys how to set up your trading view to just look like mine. So here you click monthly time frame, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes. And if you look at this place here at the right top, you can see the time frame being marked out. So another thing I set on my trading view is the moving average. I use the 8 moving average. What I need to do is click on indicators and I look for 8 moving average. 8 moving average. Moving average. Moving average. Where is it? Moving average exponential. I click on it. Then I come back. Then I change this to 8. Click on settings. Change the length to 8. Then I change the color because I need to change the color to what I use. That's black. Then our moving average is set. So the next thing or the next step is to mark out my tools. On my trading view, I use different tools. I use the trend line tool. I use the arrow. I use the horizontal line. I use the horizontal ray. Then here I use the Fibonacci. Here I use the brush, the highlight, the rectangle. Then here I use the long, short, forecast, and price range. That's all I use on my trading view. So you guys can see once you select it here, it automatically appears here. So whenever you want to pick up any tool, you don't have to go back to be looking for it right here. All you have to do is just click it and it comes up. Hold on guys, 1 second. All you have to do is to click it and it comes up. You can see. Then next thing I do guys is to change my tools color. So this my rectangle tool, I prefer it to be black. I prefer it to be black like this. Then my buy and sell, my buy tool, like when I enter the market, I used to calculate the pips. I prefer it to be black. Sorry, the positive side to be this, and the negative side to be black. Then same thing for my selling. This should be this, and this should be this. Then my horizontal ray, I prefer having it black as well. This, prefer having it black as well. So guys, that's how I use my trading view. So each day I come up to my trading view to analyze the market. I don't have to start to reset or look for my tools. I have everything mapped out right here. So watch this video, guys. If you have any question on how to use the trading view or anything, just hit me up or comment below. So the next video I'm gonna drop is how I mark out my psychological levels on gold and everything you need to know about gold. So watch this video, subscribe, put on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you all.